An alleged terror plot was foiled by the FBI ahead of Halloween. The FBI says 2 men in Michigan brought guns and ammo and trained at gun ranges and planned to conduct a terror attack. CBS News Justice correspondent Jake Rosen has the details.
2 Metro Detroit men are facing federal charges after the FBI thwarted a, quote, potential terrorist attack that was allegedly targeting Halloween weekend in Michigan last week. There are a total of 5 people referenced or mentioned in the criminal complaint filed over the weekend in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan, and of the 5, 2 are named in the criminal complaint, Mohammed Ali and Majed Mahmoud. Another unnamed person is described as a juvenile, and 2 others not named are described as co-conspirators. The 2 men had acquired high-powered weapons and practiced at gun ranges and were scouting LGBTQ+ bars in suburban Detroit for a possible attack, authorities said Monday in the filing of terrorism-related charges against the pair. The FBI affidavit at the center of the charges said the 2 men and their co-conspirators were inspired by the Islamic State group's extremism, according to a 72-page criminal complaint unsealed in federal court. Investigators say a minor, only identified as person 1, was also deeply involved in the planning discussions. Mahmoud had recently bought more than 1,600 rounds of ammunition that could be bought for and used for an AR-15 style rifle, and both practiced at gun ranges, the government alleged. A search of their homes resulted in finding tactical vests, backpacks, AR-15 style rifles, shotguns, ammunition, and loaded handguns, as well as GoPro cameras, the FBI said. The FBI also added that the men repeatedly referred to, quote, pumpkins in their conversations, a reference they say is to the Halloween attack. Before making arrests Friday, FBI agents had surveilled these men for weeks, even using a camera on a pole outside a Dearborn, Michigan house, according to a court filing. The FBI, the filing said, also tailed the men to local gun ranges and secret meetings in Dearborn, Michigan parks. Attorney General Pam Bondi said that the law enforcement involved in this takedown are, quote, heroes who prevented a terror attack. The 2 men were charged with receiving and transferring guns and ammunition for terrorism. They made brief appearances in federal court Monday and will remain in custody at least until a November 10th detention hearing. Back to you.